First of all, understanding that there is a trigger that has to happen. For us to create a habit, you have to attach it to a trigger. And that trigger would be something that happens on a regular basis that's consistent. So if I want to go to the gym in the morning, maybe the trigger is as soon as I hit my feet on the floor after I wake up, I end up in my running shoes, and that reminds me that I need to go to the gym. Or I attach it to a habit I already have. So that's one. It's the trigger is one thing. Being able to determine what is the reward that I'm getting, and if I'm not doing that yet, what is the reward I'm already getting, and how can I make the reward from having the habit much better? So it's the same, if we were looking at AA, everybody's heard of Alcoholics Anonymous. They work a little bit on that process. If you're feeling lonely, you'll end up drinking. That's been your habit, because what it did was it kind of numbed the pain of being lonely, or numb the pain of whatever it is that you're going through. If instead you change that habit, when there's a trigger, I'm feeling lonely, you change the habit to I call somebody or I go to a meeting, I no longer feel lonely. So I'm getting the same reward, but I'm not having to go through the same habit. So it's a trigger, you change the reward, but make sure that the routine, but make sure that the reward is as good. And sometimes it might have to be artificially created. You might have to give yourself something, a boost of whatever as a result, just so to make it wonderful. So anybody who goes to the gym for the first time, the reward is pain, a lot of pain. So that's no good. So, and of course, it's a little bit like building muscles. You want to go with something, start small and build up, but you want to make sure that maybe that reward is, giving yourself a high five, or telling somebody else who's going to say, hey, good job, or even meeting a coach who's going to work out with you, so that you always have that somebody there to reward you. Sometimes some rewards are automatic. They'll happen right away. Like when you clean up, for example, like when I make my bed, that's one reward I get first thing in the morning. I wasn't someone who made my bed all the time. And then I was teaching a course and I thought, I should try that and see what happens. Well, I took a picture before I made the bed, and then I took a picture 2 minutes later after I'd made my bed. The change is dramatic. So that kind of reward, like I've made my bed every day since. When I'm in a hotel, I have to stop myself, and sometimes I actually end up making my bed because there's that reward that I feel so, wow, the room looks so awesome after I'm done.
And the rewards are really the key. So you have to make it so that it's the easiest thing to do. I always say it has, the right thing to do has to be the easiest thing to do, or I'm not going to do it. And the rewards, the immediate rewards, have to be worth it. I am not going to go to the gym every day so that I can look like Arnold Schwarzenegger in 2 years. I'm not going to do that. I admit it. Why am I going to go to the gym? Well, the reason I go to the gym is because I have friends there. I arrange to go to the gym with people that I know and I like, and we go to regular classes, and I make it a point every day when I leave the gym, see you tomorrow. And I go back, and there's always somebody there that I know. So if I don't go, I feel guilty, not because I'm not working out, but because I said I was going to be there. And my friends are there, and they're going to wonder where I am.